Okay, all my insane friends, look here. It says that it's set on 69 and that it's 86 degrees outside and that the fan should be blowing like crazy because it's next to the top. Now we go all the way up to the top to see if it's the resistor pack, because if the resistor pack is bad, usually I can turn it all the way up to full blast and it'll start blowing anyway, because it doesn't have to go to a resistor to go full blast. It goes right past the resistor pack. So let's put it back down. Still not blowing. There's nothing coming out. We'll get it up here part way so we'll be able to hear it when I show you how to tell. Just in case, let's press some of these buttons, turn it off, turn it on. Still won't blow nothing. Look at the fan speed coming up and up and up, but the fan still isn't blowing. You can hear nothing. You can hear traffic because I pulled over here. So I had to wait. This is intermittent. I had to wait until it quit working to show you guys this. Okay, under the passenger side, there are tabs. And then, under here, get my pocket knife out so you can see. Under here is the blower motor. Hear it going? The little tap and the blower motor's going. Up here, and we have air blowing. And that'll keep working until the blower motor stops again, because the blower motor is bad. So the next video I'll be showing you how to replace the blower motor. And in another video I'll be showing you how to change the stereo, because this stereo is crap. Oh yeah, feel that cold air. Yeah, and all the settings work. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Put your questions down below. Until next week, get off the couch, get dirty.